So let's talk a little bit about advertising. Now, advertising differs from marketing. Marketing is more your kind of your overall plan, and the advertising is almost like an aspect of it. It's a piece of the marketing puzzle. So when I think of advertising, think of the actual ads that are going out there to your customers, and where are those ads? Are they product placements on other websites? Are you using Google AdWords? Are you placing print ads in magazines, newspapers, whatever the case might be? So you need to think about your advertising plan, and most important, how's that money spent, and what's sort of the dollars spent versus the dollars earned. I think anyone can get the concept that if you don't want to spend $100 only to make $80, what you want to be doing is spending $100 and making $300 or more, of course. So certainly you want to look at your avenues. So whatever your advertising plans ends up being and what those advertising avenues are, you want to check and make sure that you're reaching the appropriate audience. So for example, say you decide to place targeted ads on some specific website. Well, check that out. Check out that website. See what other types of ads they're showing on there. Ask for referrals and ask for information. What's your conversion rate? How much traffic are you going to be sending to my site? And then it's up to you to then track and see, are you converting enough traffic, and are you getting the traffic they promised? You definitely don't want to be spending more than you're making, and you need to have sort of a baseline ratio that's appropriate. And if you're not meeting that, then it's maybe time to change that advertising policy, or maybe it's time to nix that advertising avenue, if you will.